Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to add email addresses to your LinkedIn ID. So as you can see, my feed is open in front of me. All I need to do is I need to click on this profile picture on this me button on the top right. And under these headings, I have to select settings and privacy, which is under account. Now, once I select settings and privacy, I would be redirected to this page where I've got this whole option of modifying my settings. I would just go to sign in and security. And here the very first option is email addresses, add or remove email addresses on your account. And then I would just click on this. And to add any email addresses, I would just select this option, add email address, and just type in my new email, the email which I want to add. And once I've typed that, I would select send verification. I'd have to input my password first. LinkedIn needs to verify. And then once I click on done, well, here you go. A verification has been sent to this particular email. I could, of course, open it from yahoo.com and just click on the link which they would have provided me, and this email would be verified. And I'll just show you how to make this your primary email address. Well, there's not a lot of difference between the primary and the secondary or the tertiary email addresses. The thing is that the primary email address receives most of the notifications, and that's why you need to be sure that the active email address you're using is the one which is your primary. So you could just click on make primary and it would just become your primary email address. To remove any email address, what you could do is, as long as it is not a primary email address, you just click on remove, and once again you would be asked to enter your password. And here, once you enter your password, you just click on remove, and there you go, the settings have been saved automatically. So this is how you can add or remove any email addresses to your LinkedIn ID.